Hi, this video is to help you practice your letters and sounds at home. Este video es para ayudar a practicar las letras y las sueñas en la casa. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? And the sounds y los sueños. A apple, A. B bear, B. C cat, D dog, D. E egg, E. F fish, G goat, G. H hat, I iguana, I. J jar, J. K kite, L leaf, L. M mouse, N nest, N. O octopus, A. P pig, Q queen, Qu. R ring, R. S socks, S. Like I'm putting on my socks. T turtle, T. U umbrella, A. V violin, V. And it should tickle your lip when you do that. W window, W. X x-ray, X. Y yarn, Y. Z zebra, Z. Or Z zebra, Z. Thank you for practicing with your kids at home. Muchas gracias para practicar con sus hijos en la casa.